day 2 on Dirt Divas, and we've been, as you can see, it's kind of damp and it's raining, but we've had a lot of fun. But it was amazing. It was pouring down rain, so it felt really nice just getting all wet so that you won't sweat as much, and like it just felt really, really good. And it was a really cool experience, and I'm pretty sure that everybody would like love to experience something like that again. It's definitely something worth trying for. We are wet. Woo! Divas! Woo!